Hello, my name is Carsten from Agile PMO. I'm the founder and project management consultant, and I would like to introduce you our new workshop on project and agile management. In the workshop, you will learn about traditional waterfall project management, how to plan a project step by step and try to get it through on the plan. But at the same time, you will also learn agile management in order to be more flexible and be more adaptive. As you see, most agile companies are using both, which we call the hybrid approach. So I hope we see you soon on our project and agile management workshop. Thank you very much.